Unlock a visually stunning effect by learning how to embed video directly within your text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive into Premiere Pro and transform your text into captivating windows of footage first. Ensure your video clip and your text layer are both in your timeline. Position the video clip on a track below your text layer. This is crucial for the effect to work. Now, select your text layer in the timeline in the Effect Controls panel. Locate the opacity section. We're going to use a track matte, so click the None drop-down menu next to Track Matte key. From the drop-down, choose the track that contains your video clip. In this case, if your video is on track V1, select V1 here. Immediately, you'll see your video appear within the boundaries of your text. To refine this, you can select Reverse if you want the video to fill the background and the text itself to be transparent, or leave it unchecked to have the video inside the text. You can also adjust the feather for a softer edge on your text cutout, and the edge feather for further refinement. For an extra creative touch, you can use masks directly on your text layer. Select your text layer, go to the Effect Controls panel, and under Opacity, click the Pen tool to draw a custom mask. Draw any shape you like around your text. This mask acts like a stencil, only allowing the video below to show through the mask area of your text. You can animate these masks by clicking the stopwatch next to Mask Path to create dynamic reveals. Experiment with different fonts, colors for your text which will affect the matte, and also different video clips to find the perfect combination that brings your vision to life. This simple yet powerful technique will undoubtedly elevate your video projects and captivate your audience.